This is how to set up SOCKS5 Proxy on your MacBook or macOS. As you can see, we are currently in Nigeria. So go to settings, then search for Proxy. Search for Proxy. Then locate HTTPS, Web Secure Proxy HTTPS. So input your IP number as the server, then copy the ports. Note if you need a SOCKS5 Proxy, I will leave a link below, you can get it, a very strong one. So input the username and the password. Once it's done, click on OK, as you can see. So let's check out the details to check if it is correct. Okay, everything is intact. Click on OK. So the next step is to check our hoa.net to check if our IP corresponds with the SOCKS IP. As you can see, we have 72.252.252.87. So let's check our settings and check if it's the same with our browsing. Go back to settings, browsing, and check it. Okay, as you can see, it is the same. So this is a simple way how to set up your SOCKS5 on your MacBook or macOS. I also have other videos how to set up browsing on your Windows, or your Android, or your iPhone, and on your Chrome. So do it to check out other videos. And if you need a proxy, I will leave a link below where you can get it at a cheaper rate, a very strong one. Okay, so do it to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.